Hello, here is your daughter who again, and you're probably going to ask why today, or why in this module we are going to tackle the history of the Snowball Earth. What has the Snowball Earth got to do with astrobiology? Well, it does. There are a few things. One of the things is the Snowball Earth is particularly intriguing because it is an hypothesis. Like many things you will hear and you have heard in the astrobiology course. It's an hypothesis that is based on geological findings. For example, people have found dolomite, stromatolites, capping glacial carbonates. So people had no idea why. And it is possible that there are many unknowns, but one of the messages is we look at very ancient stromatolites, which probably indicate that bacteria survived after major extinction or major, let me be more precise, major catastrophic events like huge glaciations. One of the questions is whether the bacteria actually survived or if microbes came from outer space. This is something we don't know. And it's one of the questions about life on Earth, or how life keeps being preserved on Earth even after we had major catastrophic event like the Permo-Triassic boundary, when 99% of the species were wiped out. And every time, we have these guys, and now you do not understand that these are stromatolites. I can tell you that they are, just simply because these are dolomite crystals, and sometimes you have larger crystals and smaller crystals. Where the smaller crystals are, is where probably the microbes, the microbial mats were alive. So imagine if you go to Mars, where the climate in the past is known to have been sort of quote glacial. This is something that has just came out in 2019. So it is possible that we might find something like this, dolomite, larger crystals and smaller crystals. So you understand how difficult it is to go from a geological archive to interpretation of what it might have been. So Professor Ian Fairchild is going to talk extensively about the Snowball Earth. And the other thing that the Snowball Earth has to do with astrobiology is that there are planets and moons, not just in the solar system, probably also beyond the solar system, which are icy. So this, the Snowball Earth, is simply telling us that life can be found in the most extreme of places. So enjoy the lecture. Bye!